Considering the increasingly severe global environmental issues, we must consider the environmental problems caused by carbon emissions and the use of plastic. These have become a major social responsibility that we need to address. At present, Maxfame Group is at the forefront of green packaging solutions. We are dedicated to working with customers and suppliers to produce packaging using sustainable materials and renewable energy. Founded in 1978, Maxfame Group is deeply rooted in the luxury packaging market. We started in Taiwan and expanded to mainland China, Vietnam, Thailand, the United Kingdom, and the European continent, with the ultimate purpose of meeting our customers' needs. Training is how we maintain quality. We regularly carry out systematic education and training that covers every aspect of the production process. Through relentless quality review, process review, and intensive training, we have developed a team of professionals that work as one. To excel in the manufacture of high-end packaging products, we must first make a detailed production plan. This entails an analysis of the characteristics of the materials to be used, the design of the process flow, and the creation of documents for the quality control standards which need to be met. Maxfame has formed an interdepartmental framework in which experts from engineering, manufacturing, and quality control department collaborate to form a plan so that we can manufacture quality luxury packaging in an efficient and cost-effective way. Ensuring on-time delivery of quality products has always been our highest priority. Our production base in China covers an area of 70,000 square meters and employs more than 1,000 skilled workers. It is equipped with the most modern facilities, including a pre-press file processing center, an internationally certified testing center, a rapid proofing center, and a mold-making center. Our printing department consists of 12 sets of printing presses with capabilities ranging from 4-color printing to 10-color printing to meet various printing needs. Special processes such as water-based varnishing, UV varnishing, dribble varnishing, and more can be achieved in a single print run. Maxfame's secondary processing facility is equipped to provide cold foiling, hot stamping, silk screening, embossing, and other surface treatments. We also have high-speed laminating, Bob's automatic die cutting, and various high-speed automatic folding and gluing machines. Book binding, blister forming, and label making are all done on-site using the most modern equipment available. Our 5 BRC standard workshops cover an area of 14,000 square meters combined. These workshops produce the highest grade of rigid packaging products for various brands. Quality is always the highest expectation of customers and the goal pursued by our teams. Our customer service, purchasing, engineering, production, quality, warehousing, and logistics departments work closely together to do real-time monitoring of production quality and provide timely problem-solving to ensure the product meets our high standards. All production standards are documented and recorded. People are the most valuable asset of an enterprise. Maxfame Group has always pursued a harmonious corporate culture. We foster mutual trust and care with our employees to achieve mutual growth of our company and our employees. We will continue to be people-oriented, modernize our facilities, refine our production techniques, develop new ways to use sustainable materials, and reduce our impact on the environment.